How to get $100 Lyft promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Lyft promo code and then search for it. With that, a fun website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website. In this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Lyft. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, $50 off, 60% off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Lyft. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you're going to get the discount in your ride. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. As in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Lyft. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Lyft. So this way you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for Lyft. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.